Hello everyone, welcome back to the MBT Update channel. The Panther KF51 is a main battle tank developed by Rheinmetall Land System, part of the Rheinmetall Vehicle Systems division. It was unveiled publicly at the Eurosatory Defense Exhibition on 13 June 2022. The current KF51 is based on the hull of the old Leopard 2A4, but its design was intended to mark a departure from the previous generation of Western MBTs by introducing a new turret armed with a self-loading 130mm main gun, reducing weight through greater reliability. Active rather than passive protection, and facilitates cooperation with unmanned platforms by providing space within the hull for special systems operators or unit commanders. Where the KF51 design departed from previous generations of Western MBTs was with the introduction of a new two-man turret equipped with an auto-loading main gun. The rear of the turret houses a magazine for the main gun's autoloader and a pod for loitering ammunition when mounted. The Panther has a combat displacement of 59 tons, making it lighter than most Western MBTs developed before 2022. The vehicle's power pack, tracks, and most of the running equipment are also believed to be from the Leopard 2A4. The Leopard 2A4 power pack consists of an MTU MB873 KF500 and one water-cooled V12 diesel engine, developing 1,479 at 2,600 revolutions per minute, mated to a Renk HSL 354 4-speed automatic transmission. The Panther's maximum speed has not been disclosed, but has a maximum range of 500 kilometers. The road wheels are supported by torsion bar suspension with advanced friction dampers. The first, second, third, sixth, and seventh road wheels feature advanced friction dampers and hydraulic impact stops to dampen oscillations, with the fourth and fifth crash stops equipped with rigid impact stops. The KF51 is equipped with 635mm wide 82-link defense service tracks, 570F, with rubber connector ends on each side. Protection. The KF51 Panther is claimed to have 3 layers of protection: passive, reactive, and active. The innermost layer consists of all welded steel armor covered by passive armor modules. The second layer consists of sensor-based reactive armor, while the last layer consists of the Rheinmetall Active Defense System, ADS, Active Protection System, APS, which Rheinmetall claims is capable of protecting against kinetic energy projectiles, KE, and anti-tank guided missiles, ATGM. The Panther is also equipped with 8 Rheinmetall Rapid Obscuring System, ROSUI, smoke grenade launchers mounted in row 2 behind the central camera housing on each side of the turret. The Panther can also be equipped with the Rheinmetall Overstrike Protection System, TAPS. Armament. The KF51's main armament is a Rheinmetall Rad 130 liters /51 130mm smoothbore stabilized gun that can be raised from -9 at to +20 at. Rheinmetall claims that it is capable of delivering between 18 to 20 megajoules, 13 million to 15 million foot-pound forces, of energy to a target and has an effective range 50% longer than other Rheinmetall 120mm tank guns. During a fire test in April 2022, the Rad 130 mounted on the test rig was able to fire 3 rounds in 16 seconds, although this included time to carry out safety checks. 2 hatches are located on the sides of the turret to allow the autoloader magazine to be reloaded within 5 minutes. Secondary armament consists of a coaxially mounted 12.7mm machine gun. A remotely operated weapon station can be mounted aft of the turret roof to provide close-range defense and unmanned aircraft system (CUAS) capability. An option for this is the Rheinmetall Natter, which can be armed with a 7.62mm MG that can be raised from -15 at to +85 at. When armed with the 7.62mm MG, it carries 2,500 rounds ready to use. In addition, The KF51 can be equipped with the Hero 120 loitering ammunition system.